Hi, I'm Karen for Expert Village. I'm going to put a little bit of a rosette on the top here like this. And you can hand sew that on or just put a few stitches with the sewing machine. It's good to secure any little decorative things that you have on a toy. You want to secure really well because the children can rip these things off if they're not secured really well, and you don't want to have any sort of a choking hazard on a toy. Okay, now we're going to sew our sections together, our blanket section and our, but first I wanted to put a little bit of trim on my blanket section. I had a little extra ribbon. I'm going to just sew a little bit of trim right there on our blanket section. Just hold that in place. You can pin it in place. I'm just sewing very close to the edge of the ribbon. When you sew on a ribbon, you want to sew on both sides of the ribbon. If you just sew down the center, then you'll end up with the curling in it. It won't look as nice. And trim that edge. Now we'll sew our two sections together, our dress section and our blanket section.